Hi guys, Matok series of question number 1. The textbook originally priced at 120 is sold at a 15% discount. What is the sale price of the textbook? A, 18, B, 102, C, 105, D, 130. First is we're going to identify the given. So we have 15% discount and the original price which is 120. So we are going to use or identify the discount amount. So itong 15% discount dito, kailangan natin i-convert to decimal. That is equal to 15% of 120. So sa pag sinabing of, that's multiplication. So ito siya. Then itong 15% converted into decimal, that is 0.15. So 0.15 times 120, that is equal to 18. So ito siya. Ano? Ito na yung discount. Then, ang tinatanong is the discount amount. What is the sell price? Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng formula natin, original price minus the discount. We all know that the original price is 120. Our discount is 18 pesos. So, let's subtract then. 120 minus 18, that is equal to 102. Therefore, the correct answer here is letter B po. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.